Welcome to Financial Freedom Fast. Today, we are diving deep into the massive updates for your upcoming tax refund season this year. Are you wondering where your money is right now? We have all the crucial details you need to know this year. This current tax season brings a surprising twist for many taxpayers across the entire nation, affecting millions of hardworking American families. Let us start with the good news first. The average refund amount has officially increased to roughly $2,400. This significant jump means more money is returning to your pockets, which is noticeably higher compared to the previous tax year. However, this exciting increase comes with a frustrating catch that many early filers are already experiencing with their submitted tax returns. Despite the higher refund amounts, the overall processing speed at the IRS is noticeably slower than what we saw last year. The agency officially started accepting tax returns at the end of January, hoping to get a quick head start this season. Yet the total volume of fully processed applications right now is surprisingly lower than the exact same period 12 months ago. What is causing this massive backlog at the IRS processing centers? Several major factors are contributing to these unexpected nationwide delays. Staffing shortages and updated security protocols are forcing agents to carefully review submissions, adding extra days to the standard processing timeline. If you claimed specific credits, you must understand the PATH Act, which legally mandates a strict hold on your refund money. Anyone claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit falls directly under this mandatory federal government protection law. By law, the IRS cannot release these specific refunds until after February 15th, regardless of how early you filed your return. This rule exists to give the agency sufficient time to detect and completely prevent fraudulent claims before issuing any taxpayer funds. Therefore, if you filed in January expecting a rapid payout, you will simply have to wait until the middle of February. The massive wave of PATH Act refunds typically begins hitting personal bank accounts heavily throughout late February and into early March. To speed up your payout, the IRS is aggressively pushing a major transition towards fully digital financial transactions this current year. They strongly encourage everyone to use direct deposit instead of waiting for traditional paper checks to arrive in the physical mail. Direct deposit is significantly faster, highly secure, and completely eliminates the frustrating risk of your physical check getting lost in transit.
Paper checks require manual printing, physical sorting, and postal delivery, adding weeks of unnecessary waiting time to your tax refund journey. Now, let us discuss why your specific return might be facing an unexpected audit or a temporary hold in the system. Many taxpayers are obsessively checking their online IRS portals and noticing confusing transcript codes appearing on their personal digital tax accounts. These specific transcript codes are internal markers indicating exactly where your file currently sits within the massive federal tax processing pipeline. A common reason for a sudden delay is a simple math error made when initially calculating your total income or deductions. Even a tiny miscalculation of a few dollars can automatically trigger the system to pause your return for manual agent review. Another frequent issue occurs when your reported income does not perfectly match the official documents submitted by your current legal employer. If your wage forms show different numbers than your tax return, the IRS computers will instantly flag your file for investigation. Sometimes your return might be selected for a completely random fraud check, which has nothing to do with your personal accuracy. The agency uses complex algorithms to randomly pull files, ensuring the overall integrity of the national tax collection and refund system. If you see a code indicating a hold, do not panic immediately. It often resolves itself after a routine internal verification. Our best advice for a smooth experience is to always file electronically and choose direct deposit for your final refund payment. If you follow these exact steps and avoid common errors, you should generally expect your money within 21 standard business days. However, if 21 days have passed and your portal still shows processing, you might receive a formal letter in the mail. Receiving official correspondence from the Internal Revenue Service can feel incredibly intimidating, but it is usually just a request for information. They might need a simple identity verification or a quick clarification regarding a specific deduction you claimed on your original paperwork. The most important thing you can do is remain completely calm, read the letter carefully, and follow their provided instructions exactly. Ignoring an IRS notice will only delay your refund further and could potentially trigger a much more invasive financial audit process. You can always consult with a certified tax professional if you feel overwhelmed or confused by the complex government correspondence received. Remember that millions of people are navigating this exact same confusing process right now, hoping for their hard-earned money to arrive.
Staying informed about these crucial updates ensures you are never caught entirely off guard by unexpected delays or sudden policy changes. Let us quickly recap the most critical points you need to remember as we move deeper into this busy tax season. Average refunds are sitting around $2,400, providing a much-needed financial boost for countless families across the country. Processing times are unfortunately lagging behind last year, meaning patience is absolutely essential if you filed your taxes early in January. The PATH Act strictly prevents any early payouts for those claiming the Earned Income or Child Tax Credits until middle February passes. Expect those specific funds to finally start hitting your personal bank accounts in massive waves around late February and early March. Always opt for direct deposit over physical paper checks to guarantee the fastest and most secure delivery of your refund money. Keep a close eye on your digital transcripts to spot any potential math errors or income mismatches that require your attention. Understand that random fraud checks are a normal part of the system and do not necessarily mean you are in trouble. Give the system at least 21 full days to process your electronic return before you start worrying about potential unseen issues. If a physical letter from the IRS arrives, simply take a deep breath and provide the exact documentation they are requesting. We know waiting for your tax refund can be incredibly stressful, especially when you have important bills and expenses to cover. But having the right knowledge about these timeline shifts and processing rules gives you the power to plan your finances accordingly. Check your IRS online portal once a day for updates, but try not to let it consume your entire daily routine. The system updates typically happen overnight, so checking multiple times during the day will not magically make your money appear faster. We will continue to monitor the national tax refund situation closely and provide you with immediate updates as things rapidly evolve. Your financial security is our top priority, and we want to ensure you maximize your returns while avoiding unnecessary administrative headaches. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another critical update regarding your money and personal wealth building. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn about these vital tax changes that impact your family and future. This has been Financial Freedom Fast, wishing you a prosperous year ahead, and we will see you in the next video.